Hello friend, today I am going to solve a problem is based on Rankine cycle. So in a steam power cycle, the steam supply is at 15 bar and dry and saturated. The condenser pressure is 0.04 bar. Calculate the Carnot and Rankine efficiency of a cycle. Neglect pump work. So here I am going to draw TS diagram of this Rankine cycle. So you can see here I am draw TS diagram. So 1 to 2 is a isentropic expansion in turbine, and 2 to 3 that means heat rejection constant pressure at a condenser in a condenser, and 3 to 4 is a isentropic compression process in a pump, and 4 to 1 is a heat supplied at a constant pressure in a boiler. So here I am going to use steam table at 15 bar. So you can find out HF, HG, SG. So here I am using steam table at 15 bar. So that is the 15 bar. So HFG is equal to 844.7 kilojoule per kg, and HFG is equal to 1945.2 kilojoule per kg, and HFG is equal to HG is equal to 2789.9 kilojoule per kg. So you can write here Hg is equal to 2789.9 kilojoule per kg, and Sg, that means isentropic entropy of this point 6.4406 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So now same using steam table you can find at 4 bar pressure. So Hf is equal to 0.4 bar here, steam table is equal to 317.7 kilojoule per kg enthalpy, and HFG is equal to at point 2319.2, and Hg 2636.9 kilojoule per kg, and entropy at that point SFG is equal to 1.0261 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and SFG is equal to 6.6448 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and Sg is equal to 7.6709 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So you can write all value here, and temperature also you can find use the steam table. So Carnot efficiency, you know that T1 minus T2 by T1, that is higher temperature T1 and T2 is a lower temperature. So higher temperature minus lower temperature divided by higher temperature. So you can find Carnot efficiency of this cycle is 25.9%. Now Rankine cycle is the adiabatic or isentropic heat drops and heat supplied. So Rankine cycle is, you can write work done of turbine minus work done of pump divided by heat supplied in the boiler. So here is given in our problem work, pump work is neglected, so you can neglect this value. So only you can write turbine work minus turbine work divided by heat supplied in the boiler. So you can here TS diagram you can see here, that is the turbine and this one is a boiler. So you can write work turbine is equal to H1 minus H2, and heat supplied in the boiler you can write H1 minus H4. So you can write here, so you can find out H2 is equal to HF plus X2, HFG is equal to HF2 you can find using steam table, so you can put this value 317.7 plus x2 into HFG. You can find using steam table. You can write 2319.2 kilojoule per kg. So at, you can going to find x2 value, so you can use isentropic process. At process 1 से 2, this is a isentropic process, that means entropy is constant. So you can write s1 equal to s2. So s1 is, you can find here 6 point 6 point, this one 6.4406. So you can write 6.0046 is equal to s2. S2 is equal to, you can write sf2 plus x2 sfg. Sf2 you can find here, this one is a sf and sfg is here. You can put this value and you can find value of x, the x, that is the dryness fraction. So you can write this value 0.815. Now put this value in here and you can find h2. So h2 is equal to 2207.8 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So substitute this all value in a Rankine cycle. So you can find h1 minus h2 divided by h1 minus hf2. So h1 you can write, you can use the steam table, you can find 2789.9 minus 2207.8 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. h1 is also you can find and put this value hf2. So you can find 23.5% of Rankine cycle efficiency. Okay, thank you.